These are the 3 bottom doors or bottom windows that we need to cover. These are the 2 top door windows that we need to cover. So just maybe in the middle, you know, those in the middle of those ones. 1 here for these windows, and then 1 somewhere in the middle of these windows. All 3 of these, it has to cover all 3. And then 1 in the pastor's office.
Right now I'm putting in a glass break. And what that does is pretty much watches all these windows, and it'll let us know if it hears any glass breaking. Literally, it just picks up on the sound.
We installed this wireless hub right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and activate it, and then we're gonna go ahead and go downstairs and see if we can see any of the alarm contacts online. No, I'm just testing to make sure it's got a connection. Get this shelf out of the way because he wants the AC41 and the switch right here. I'm trying to figure out spacing. This goes in here, but there's a switch that's supposed to go right here next to it.
Time for a door sensor, actually. These, once again, wireless, go up with 2 easy screws.
Oh, I'm in the wrong hole. That's what's going on. Giggity.
Right now, I am running this wire for a camera that's gonna be installed on the other side of this wall. And there was an old system there, so all I did was just tape on to the old wire, pull it through, boom, we got action. Then it'll land to a switch over here and get plugged into this power that they recently installed for us. And then I have to run another line up and around the corners over to there to put up an environmental sensor. And then another line to go out the same wall for an exterior camera.
Does it make you want a Dougie?
Yeah, there's the freaking drill bit right there. Yes. So now these are strike or white lock wires. They're going to power crash bar so that it opens, unlocks. They're also going to have what's called a DPI. That is a little sensor that'll let them know if the door is open or closed. So they know if someone left it open. Standard little contact sensor you'd use in alarm systems and things. Although here we're probably going to have to use a rollerball mechanical plunge sensor because it's too close for a magnet and reed switch.
What happened today?
We got some attack plans to get the wires where they need to go. I have to open up, make some holes through the ceiling, so we'll get back at it tomorrow.
Right now, this man is messing up their entire building just to get some wire ran through here and all the way down out over there. But there is constant, what, rafters? Is that what you'd call them? Rafters in every other inch apart. Like, they're just so close at every other spot, and we have to just cut here, maybe cut another one down over here, and then just to be able to get the wire across.
We'll probably have about a dozen more holes to put on the other side of this wall.
I am just taking off the old wire so I can put the new wire in. This will be to connect our camera over there to our AC41 and hardwire it for our network. And I've already unpeeled it starting from the room over there. So I'd say about 20-30 feet of unpeeling.
These ceilings don't line up. One's further back than the other. I tried drilling into that cavity. I don't think I can make it, so I'm just gonna have to go through the wall and then open up the wall on this side. But I do want to get into the lid of that soffit on the other side. So I need to be at a minimum height on this side to get in there. Theoretically, it should be about 100 inches. 90. Crap.
You got it?
Right there.
Nice.
Show it on here, make sure all these connections are good.
Kenneth, how's it going?
I'm really tired, but all I gotta do is put 2 more ends on and just land it into the switch and Velcro the rest of it up. Throw in some zip ties down here to make it all look nice and straight to go into the switch.
Normally, you got your drill, and you can only get as close to the wall as your drill allows you to. With this guy, I can get right alongside the wall. Where does he? What was the Joker's line? Where does he get such fantastic toys? No, wonderful toys. Where does he get such?
Where does he get those wonderful toys?
San Francisco.
Yep, what he said. So today we did a whole lot of messing the building up. All we did was hole after hole after hole. Follow over here. I did. Brian, as you can tell by the chalk coming off him, he busted out all of these because, like I've said now the 3rd time, there's too many studs everywhere. And that's the only way we can get the wire through. So he spent the majority of the day doing that. I was stripping old wire from over there and running new wire over there and re-terminating all the wires that landed on the switch downstairs because they were put in a temporary spot until we wanted to know where we put it. Now we put it next to the AC41. We had to strip those and re-terminate those and put them back in. I think we're leaving off at a good point. So next time we come back, all we gotta do is fish the wire through, land the final of our cameras because it's 7:21. I'm going home.
Neither one of us can lift it up off the ground.
I was gonna go ahead, lift it up, move it. Go ahead and try.
Oh, it's hella heavy? What do I look like?
Try to move that thing. Oh, I'm not really gonna move them. Oh, yeah, I was going to. Then I came over and was just like, oh, let's just move these. It's like ridiculously heavy, man.
Yeah, that's something.